Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Adobe Express on your Windows PC. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your search option here and here type inside Microsoft Store. This is and click it to open. And after that, all you have to do is like search Adobe Express. This is the application. Just click it to open. And here you can see the option install. Just click that option here and it will start like it's saying getting ready. It's on the queue. It will take a few seconds to process all of that and beginning installation this application on your device. So you have to wait a couple of seconds for that. As you see, the installation process has already begun and it's almost downloaded. The download is completed. It is taking time to install the application on your PC. As you can see, the pop-up window show the Adobe Express is installed. I'm going to click the launch option here and minimize the Microsoft Store here. And the application is successfully launched on my PC for the first time. And this is their home page. They are asking you to sign in. If you already have an account, you can just enter your account here, or you can create with your Google. And after that, you can click the continue option and proceed with your design. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you. And I will see you guys in the next one.